जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग.
I have known each other for more than a decade now, and as far as I am concerned, I feel it's the most perfect love story I could have ever imagined. We started with being enemies, we hated each other to the core. Slowly, we just started tolerating each other. In the course of time, we became best of friends, and we don't know when, but we fell in love. And
We have
today,
tolerated
after
each other to an extent that we have broken each other's chappals as well. So that's the level of toleration. I had to buy her an actual chappal, go to the mall barefooted and buy. So that level of craziness we've gone through. So yeah, you can go ahead.
So it's been a decade now, and I'm really excited. After more than 10 years, we are finally getting married.
कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना.
Jasba, our youngest daughter, when she was born in 1992, I remember the day when we brought her home from the maternity home. A small doll, so soft, just like cotton. That's how we named her Softy. Her childhood name, we used to call her with love, Softy, Softy.
तेरी ही बातें हो सुबह सी रातें हो जब से मिला है तू दिल को मिला सुकून. तू ही राह मेरी तू ही सफर है तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है.
चैन न जाने दर्द न जाने दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा तू ही है संसार मेरा ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा.
First time I met Jasba was not Jasba as an individual, it was a family. So we stay in the same building, so whenever they came out of the lift, I used to there used to be like strong smell of perfume. Okay, which indicated that they're going for a party. So every weekend they used to go for parties. I think it's reduced right now, like
Yeah.
considerably reduced. So yeah, that's how I know the Dudani family. But later, so one of our common friends introduced us into our group, and that's when we started, like interacting with each other. And there was this one random call one night. I called her and told that, what are you doing? Like I don't have anything to do. I'm just like doing nothing. Can we just like talk random shit? So then she was like,
So
"Yeah,
basically,
okay."
it started off as time pass.
Yeah. So it started off as time pass, and then since that day we have never skipped a day without talking. So
I think since the last
Yeah,
8 years, there has
eight-
never
eight-
been a
eight,
single
9
night
years,
that we
yeah.
haven't spoken to each
we
other.
haven't spoken. If not a call, definitely a WhatsApp message, and a good morning or a good night would definitely be there.
मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा.
and Vinay have finally, got married, and that's the best thing that could have happened, basically for them and for the family, for us. They know each other right from their school days, and they have been friends. They know each other's weaknesses and strengths, and they have still accepted each other the way they are, and are planning to move ahead in their life.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
Jasba plans Vinay's birthdays like really well.
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है
So the best thing that I love about Vinay is his patience. He is the most calm person. I know him since 12 years now, but I have never heard him get angry on anybody. Me to not forget, but not with anybody at all. And also that he is such a patient listener. I crib, I cry, I gossip, he will listen. I don't know whether he listens or not, but at least he's a good actor because he acts like he listens to whatever I'm saying. So that is the best thing I like about him. The one thing that I totally can't bear is that everything I tell him to do, he's like, ठीक है ना, हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, and I cannot deal with it. So this is one thing I cannot deal, and you better change yourself.
One thing I love about Jasba is she has her, ways set. So if she's thought about something, she has to get it done, and in her manner only. Okay, so she's kind of a perfectionist. Okay, and and the bad part about Jasba, I wouldn't say bad part, a little irritating part is the same thing, being perfectionist, because she expects the same from me also, which is a very very difficult task. So so that's one thing, but it's okay. Like I can try to be perfect.
कोई मंजिल है ना कोई साथी है फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है वही मंजिल है
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम
मेरे दिल में थोड़ी खाली सी जगह थी दुनिया के बिन किराएंगे जगानी कुछ कह भी ना सकी ये कैसी बेबसी यूं चुपके चुपके आया बिन बुलाया मेहमान मेरे दिल में थोड़ी खाली सी जगह थी ना
कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना.
Jaspa had told me about Vinay since the very first day. I used to like Vinay because he was a very gentle and cool person. But I couldn't think of life without Jaspa.
So basically, they're like extremely funny, crazy individual people, and together also they're like just they're crazier and they complement each other like no one's business over the years, of course. So say something.
Yeah, like a big congratulations to them.
Oh my God.
So Jazba for me, I don't know how am I going to stay without her, because since the time she's born, I have been next to her, right by the bedside, right by all the jokes, all the happy and sad moments we've shared together. So I feel the bond we share, once we had each other, we didn't even need our parents that much. Not that we don't love our parents, but I think we were enough for each other. So I'm sure I'm going to miss her like crazy.
ऐसी कहानी समझा दे
ये बात है सबने चाही, मिले जन्मों का हमरा ही, यह हुआ है कुछ ऐसा ही, समझे ना
अब मैं जाना कह रही हो क्या फसाना हो.
प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो.
Hello, hello, don't mind मेरा ये.
Having a partner like Vinay, I think he will make sure that, because I think they've grown up together. They met when they were technically kids and they're still growing together. So journey is going to continue, and he'll make sure, because he's also very childlike, he's also very mature, and I think they're perfect. They're perfect for each other. I just hope the perfection doesn't go too perfect and it stays as is or improves with time.
उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज पार करा दे. बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे. मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, 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 मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो,
literally the calm to my chaos because I'm an extremely hyperactive person and he's the only one who can keep me sane. And that is the best thing that I like about him, that he, whatever I am, however angry I am, he'll always be patient and he'll be like, Jazba, calm down, I'm there. And that is just totally enough for me to be fine. And whatever the problems are, we figure it out eventually. Obviously, we fight like maniacs. Like every other day, we definitely have a fight on something really ridiculous. But also within 1 hour, we have to solve it because we can't not talk to each other.
The name Jazba and Emotions have done total justice to the name. She is an absolute doll. And like he said, she's the real link to the house.
My brother is getting married to his girlfriend of 10 years. I don't think I could have wished for anything more.
मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजया मेरा सजना मिलया
बनाती है जो तू वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले, ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है, हवाएं हक में वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले देती है जो सदाएं, हवाएं हवाएं न जाने क्या बताएं, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता। प्यारी बातें झूठा में गाते, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा, हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। Everybody sing with me. दिल चाहता है अगर हम सेकंड दुआ में दमन आई थिंक इज लाइक तो जोर से होना चाहिए ना। दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, 1 2 3 4 झगमगाते हैं झिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते, जगमगाते हैं झिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे हवाएं न जाने क्या बताएं, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए